Attention getting speech, you know the feeling. You've been drooling over a new hiking trail for months, but fear of getting lost or injured always holds you back. Well, here's your chance to conquer that fear and go on a truly epic adventure. Let's dive into some proven tips from Hiker Pro to help make every step count. Brief intro. In this video, we're going to cover 5 key points: choosing the right trail, packing your essentials wisely, staying safe while enjoying nature, what gear you need, and why, and last but not least, how to make the most of those beautiful moments. Let's get started. Tip number 1, choose your trail wisely. Before hitting the trails, take a close look at the map or trail guide. Look for marked, well-worn paths. They're safer and more enjoyable. For beginners, stick with easier routes. Trust me, you don't want to be the first person in years who gets lost on a challenging path. Tip number 1, takeaway: safety first. Tip number 2, packing your essentials. You're about to hit the trails, so make sure your backpack is packed with all that you'll need. Here's an essential packing list for you: water bottles, at least 2, sunscreen, insect repellent, a first aid kit, snacks or energy bars, and of course, a good map. Tip number 2, takeaway: prepare well to ensure a fun and safe trip. Tip number 3, stay safe. When it comes to hiking safety, know where you're going and stay with your group. Carry enough food and water for the day. If you feel unwell or see someone who does, call out for help immediately. Remember, we're not alone in nature. Tip number 3, takeaway: safety is everyone's responsibility. Tip number 4, gear recommendations. Now let's talk about some key gear items to have. First up, consider wearing hiking boots with traction and good arch support. These will make walking comfortable and stable for longer periods. Secondly, invest in a waterproof backpacking bag or dry sack. You never know when rain could ruin your day's adventure. Tip number 4, takeaway: proper gear is essential. Tip number 5, make the most of your hike. Lastly, take time to appreciate nature. Use a camera to capture those beautiful moments. Remember what you learned about safety, stay hydrated, and make sure everyone in your group feels comfortable. Don't forget to be kind to animals and leave no trace behind. That's how we keep these adventures sustainable. Tip number 5, takeaway: enjoy the journey. Closing CTA, have a favorite hiking spot. What's something you wish you knew before hitting the trails? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on our future adventures and tips for building a successful online business from home. See you next time.